Hi, Doug Lowe here with Artisan Construction in Charlottesville, Virginia. Today we're going to introduce another energy-saving idea, specifically a programmable thermostat. A programmable thermostat should help you save money on your heating and cooling bills, and it's relatively easy to install. I want to caution you, before you start working with your thermostat, you need to find out exactly what type of system do you have. Do you have a gas furnace with air conditioning? Do you have a heat pump that both heats and cools? You know, there's a variety of different types of systems, and you need to make sure that you know exactly what you have. Once you've determined that, there are several manufacturers that make programmable thermostats. The one that I happen to pick up at the building supply store even has an 800 number to help clarify your questions. But I want to caution that at the end of the day, if you don't know exactly what type of system you have or exactly what type of programmable thermostat you need, then you probably should have a professional get involved in this part. You may have noticed in most homes that are probably 15 years or more, this is a very typical type thermostat that you would see. These are not programmable, meaning that your temperature is set the way you've got it and you don't have the benefit of the energy savings. I do want to urge you, when you finally take this off the wall and you're ready to discard it, do not just throw it in the trash. It does contain a mercury switch in it, so therefore it needs to be disposed of properly through your hazardous waste material, which most local governments have a place you can take these. Now we have here a programmable thermostat that we've already started the installation on. I want to point out we have the base plate up for the thermostat, and you can see it's already been wired across here. One of the things I want you to be careful to understand is that you need to follow the manufacturer's directions very specifically to make sure that you've wired it up exactly right, and the instructions will be very thorough and detailed. Once you have the new base plate attached and wired, the rest of the installation is fairly simple. The second piece simply fits on here and snaps in place. This happens to have a battery pack section that helps the programmable thermostat stay programmed even in the event of a power outage. We have the main core guts of the programmable thermostat, which is a little motherboard here with a digital readout that actually snaps in place. And then there's the main cover plate. So now we've installed our programmable thermostat. I want to remind you to clearly follow the installation guide that comes with the one that you purchased. After you've installed it, there's typically a programming guide that shows you how you can set this up for your subjective needs. You can set it up to change day by day. Bottom line is, though, if you use this properly, you should be able to save a lot of money on your energy and your heating and cooling bills.